Hello, and we are 4H Scream. This is our unboxing video thing of our goBILDA kit that our coach ordered because it was on sale. So he also ordered a few other things that we found interesting, like this Go rail. It's a linear actuator kit, I think.
Unbox it and take it out of the
Not yet. Let's not take it out yet. And then some Omni wheels, because you can never have too many Omni wheels. And various other fasteners, that sort of thing. We also got some REV expansion hubs, because it'll be useful to have some more of those. Someone else want to take over for that? Oh. So, yeah.
Yep. We needed some extra REV expansion hubs because so far we only have one and we cannot have one on the robot and then one for programming. So we need two.
Okay. This is kind of random.
Scissors.
We need the scissors.
Scissors.
We're editing that part out. Don't hurt yourself. You edit parts out. Be nice.
Turn it over.
Oh,
There.
okay. We didn't
on the
rip it.
wheels.
No,
Looks like another wheel.
it's more wheels.
You need tape on that side.
Yeah, manpower works. Alright. Lots of wheels. Everyone just grab something and see what it is. Wheels.
Here we have 3 more Omni wheels. Here's
We
blades.
got more wheels here.
Here's 3 right here.
Why isn't there 4? That makes no sense.
Here's plates.
A dumb battery charger.
336 millimeter.
We haven't done one of these before. More stuff. Lots more stuff. Lots more stuff. Here we go. An interesting aluminum extrusion. It's cylindrical, unlike some of the REV ones that are.
And then we got several
like-
flat beams right
like-
over here. Oh, flat beam.
How would you describe the REV?
A U-beam.
Like a beam.
Oh yeah, this is more like a REV
D shafting.
Beam. Aluminum extrusion.
A
These are
threaded
interesting.
rod.
These are very interesting.
Several
Make use of
more
these.
flat beams and another U-beam.
Beams.
More beans. I wish, but
Wait, you want these?
I can't get it.
More stuff.
Also have more.
Oh, here's
D-shafting.
the exciting stuff.
Another
Here we're getting to the
smaller
electronics.
D-shafting. We have a standard Go rail and another one of those.
Random spacers, gears.
We also have
Beams.
another Go rail, so we've got 3 in total.
Heavy motors. If we get one view on this, I'm gonna be surprised.
I'll just keep.
Sprocket. What's a
Take this
sprocket?
and Put it over here for us to
We have servos.
We'll find out what these are for.
I see servos, bearings.
Some of this
Small
stuff
little
will
box
learn
here.
as we go along.
A surface
More.
mount, washers. It's like they're wiring.
Know that.
one hole.
40
And
different lengths.
a bunch of most likely fasteners.
We have a 12-volt 3000 mAh NiMH battery.
That is a small battery.
Set that.
And then of course zip ties. And I think that's it except for the parts list. Yeah.
Hey,
Yep.
more cardboard.
Yeah. We can use that on the robot too.
I'm putting that there.
Hold that up, would you? Okay, so what are you guys' response to the pattern there? Any thoughts?
Well, it's a very interesting pattern. It looks like
Similar to the Actobotics.
some of the holes are not, you know, completely circular. I mean, like, they're intended not to be completely circular. Like, those few right there are just slightly ovalish. I don't know what's the point of that.
Could be something I'd be more comfortable
It
using.
looks very similar to the Actobotics.
Yes,
Seems to have more holes though.
they seem to have more holes. And yeah, these C rails are very sturdy though. They're made of thick metal, and they look like they'll be good for building things.
And we also put everything down since
Much more advantageous than our.
trust
Rev
you with
kit.
those for whatever reason.
Yes.
Don't ask me.
Just someone want to go get the rev kit real quick, and we'll compare and contrast the two. Just the
All right, edit
Bot-
out from
yep.
here, from this over here.
right down here.
It's gonna be interesting to put on.
Alright, so here's what we have so far. We were converting it from gear drive to chain and sprocket drive. That's what the sprockets are for, the chains.
Okay, and can someone quickly summarize the struggles we're having with the rev kit and why we decided to go with the goBILDA for, you know, or at least try the goBILDA?
I'm not a builder, so I'm gonna go over here. Anyone
You
else
were a
care to
builder.
explain?
So-
The Rev kit is very
Don't worry.
difficult to customize, especially. They're sturdy, but they are very annoying to move
What-
things around. They don't have any options, I would say.
Well, supposedly you're supposed to have lots of options because you can slide. This bracket can slide down the whole length of the rail, right? But
You can
what
get something crooked.
so we were learning that when you have axles, this is an axle mount. When you have axles underneath there, the problem was that since it could slide, we would get the axles crooked, like Cole said, right?
Yeah.
And what was the problem with these brackets here?
They were
Oddly,
very hard to screw in.
Yes, very hard to screw in, and just overall poor quality.
Well, the problem was this one right here, right? When you have these two screws in, you can't get a socket, you can't get a wrench, you can't get anything on that. So you had to take these off to take that out. And if you just wanted to slide this out, you couldn't do that without taking a majority of the robot apart, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
If you like this video, please give a thumbs
Well,
up. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell. And yeah, I think that's it.
Smash like.
I've never said